Good morning, everyone. This week we are talking about healthy lifestyle and exercise. So, one of the books we are reading is called Keep Running Gingerbread Man. And so, the gingerbread man, like we all know, has to run as fast as he can because everyone is trying to eat him. Who do you think will catch him, or will anybody catch him? This week, with our books, we are getting cards, for yoga poses. And that is another easy exercise that we can do at home in our floor or outside in the yard, which would be especially nice on these wonderful warm days. And we also have 4-H, who is partnering with us and posting videos that will be available later this week. You all have a great day. Stay fit and stay active. Bye, guys.